At Avisa, we are into affordable quality innovations. We are not only into furniture, but primarily our products till now are furniture. So, giving you a background about Avisa, this journey for my friends started about 17 years ago when one of my friends, who's my classmate, he started with this business along with his brother. And they started importing furniture from China and other places and started just reselling it. Within a few years, they realized that it is important to start manufacturing themselves, and they went into the office segment of office furniture, and they started purchasing machines and got into manufacturing. However, a lot of stuff in this furniture line was still being outsourced. Like most of the steel components or the metal parts were being outsourced, and they were looking at expansion. And that was the time I was, hanging my uniform and retiring, and they invited me to join them. And for me, it is always good to be with friends. I find encouragement, and I feel happy to be there. And that's how I am now associated with Avisa. We have two plants at Faridabad. One is, of course, the old plant which we had 17 years ago. They had established in Delhi. That has been shifted to Faridabad, where we deal with wood. And the other one that we have established recently in the last 1 year is related to metal and steel products. Now we are, into a fusion of both the things, and we wish to get into other segments where we use other materials to make furniture for you. Affordable quality innovations is our tagline, where we are looking at quality products for our customers at an affordable price, and of course, trying new innovations so that we can always deliver a better product for you. Our vision is that we envisage becoming a leading provider of affordable quality innovative products to the global market. Our mission is to design and deliver affordable quality innovative products which are made in India and made for the world. As I had mentioned to you that in Avisa, we are happy to state that we are looking at more innovative products which are made in India, and we are absolutely vocal for local. Our core values, we are agile and we encourage out-of-the-box thinking to provide innovative and creative products to our customers. We value our customer satisfaction and aim to identify, understand, and exceed their expectations. We believe in doing the right thing and work with uncompromising honesty and integrity with all our customers and clients. We keep safety and quality in mind while operating and designing new products. And we are accountable for our actions and are responsible towards the society, environment, and the nation as a whole. This is how we look at Avisa. So what you see on the right-hand side of the screen, that is in green, is how we relate to our brand. And on the left-hand side, how we want our customers or clients to relate to our brand. Avisa means king, and most of our furniture model names are based on the qualities of a king. What we really do is we customize office spaces. So at times we are, getting bare shell spaces, and we, with the help of designers and architects, we design your space. We provide all kinds of furniture which are used in the offices, whether it is storage or workstations or meeting rooms, reception areas, your personal offices. We also are working in the institutional spaces where we work and we create furniture for you for classrooms, for auditoriums, for schools, colleges. We are also in the home storage solutions. We provide home storage solutions by giving you, various kinds of customized storage solutions for your homes. We are also into network storage. We provide storage racks, server racks, and which are in all three forms, that is server rack enclosure, open frame racks, and wall hanging racks. We are also into commercial kitchens, where we provide customized solutions for restaurants and commercial spaces where they want it to be designed in a particular way that helps them. We are also now trying to get into the EV segment, where we are designing a EV charger, both for the two-wheeler segment and the four-wheeler segment. We are doing this, most of the innovation. We have also created another technical company called I would say, technical firm, which is called Tech Green Innovations, which is based in Delhi. And they help us, get innovative things into our products. Some of our project sites, we've worked for Nokia, where we've, created uh, a kind of a classroom and instructional center for them. This is a Trend Micro office that we had created for them. We are into office pods. We are into all kinds of loose furniture that they wanted from us, and we also help them create a good green environment in their office. We've worked for Indigo. Again, you see, this is a smart class that we created for them. It was again for their, training center. We worked for Airbus, where we had provided them some loose furniture, some workstations, and office pod. We have also created a space for home innovations. This was at Calcutta, where we've created complete, this was given to us bare shell, and we designed and created the complete office space for them. The machinery that we use in our plants at Faridabad is at display. We have a facility of about 28,000 square feet. We've added actually around 15,000 square feet recently. And all our products are machine manufactured, which gives them consistent quality. Some of our clients, so when we are looking at what kind of a market we are in, we are already into a B2B market, which we wish to work pan-India into B2B market. I was also sharing with Aman as to how we now wish to get into a B2R segment, where from business to retailer. In phase one, as of now, we are in phase one, and we are looking at UP, Haryana, Delhi NCR, basically the North region. And we are also into institutional space, and future areas that we are focusing on and trying to get into innovation is smart classes and EV chargers. Finally, coming to the crux of the talk today, this is my request to my friends. We are looking at references from all of you. References for project teams, anyone who is in the project teams for brands, it'll help us in MNCs, in their project teams, in PMC companies, with architects, designers, and of course, government contractors and offices. We are also looking at building our brand as we go from business to retailership. So we are looking for anybody who's interested in this North region for a dealership or distributorship. Thank you. If you have any questions, please go ahead.